Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start now, fill the 1.8L tank with cold filtered water and lock it in place because water quality shapes extraction. Add fresh whole beans to the hopper and choose a mid-grind, 2 fine clogs, 2 coarse under extracts. Turn the machine on and watch for the ready light. The unit runs a short rinse. Once done, prime the pump by running a short hot water cycle so the group head and pipes are filled and stable. Now you dial in the brew. Choose espresso or lungo and pick a strength from 1 to 5. Higher numbers increase dose and pressure. Place your cup, lock the portafilter if using manual, or let the auto-dosing run if available. Watch extraction. Target 20 to 30 seconds for balanced flavor. If it's fast and weak, make the grind finer or increase dose, and if it's slow and bitter, coarsen the grind slightly. Make small tweaks and taste between changes. Finish each drink like a pro. Purge the steam wand briefly, then steam milk to about 60 to 65 degrees Celsius for creamy microfoam, tapping and swirling to remove big bubbles. Serve immediately and wipe the wand. After a session, empty the grounds drawer and drip tray and run a quick group head rinse. If shots pull weak or machine shows low pressure, descale following the manual, check the water tank seating.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.